Josh Allen lose 30-33 to the Broncos? Yeah. Why the fuck did Josh Allen lose 30-33 to the Broncos? Why the fuck did Josh Allen lose 30-33? It was good, Chad. Yo, it's been a minute. Every time he get into the playoff, yeah, you know how that goes. Don't turn this shit off. But yeah, we got the that is crazy. We got the Bills and the Broncos game. Let's get y'all want that song on SoundCloud. Go stream that. Go stream that if y'all want that. Go stream that if y'all want that. What are we doing with ads here? Two of them, gang?
Now T-Mobile has the best network by like a lot. Hey dude, you won't believe where I am.
Chad, Top Op got slimed. Top Op got slimed.
As the Broncos host their first playoff game since 2015, and here they go with Nix on the run, connecting, and he's got.
Chad, I need to James Cook to score. I need the James Cook to score. That nigga did not score. Nigga shit.
Pass play all the way, and Nix throws it, goes back.
No way he caught that. Who's that?
And it's a catch. But Day is the
Who is that?
Nix keeps it. He's got
Holy shit, let me see.
Nix keeps it. He's got the first.
Okay, Bo.
Now it's a 3rd and 6.
Died. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Yo, I need to have an Ingram 15 yards, gang. Nigga ain't get that. 15 yards already.
There's Lutz, but in the first points of the division.
Nigga can't get 15 yards from me, bro.
Their first snap is a give.
Okay, Cook.
Look at this running lane.
Bitch ass still ain't scoring.
All the way down to the 42-yard line before finally PJ Locke is able to end it.
Okay, Richardson, give me the tree. The holidays are done.
No way they're done.
Bro,
They are.
why am I watching hella ads?
Back to Cook. Another big opening.
Ooh. He has two.
Another big opening. Surtain hit him.
DPOY, by the way. Last got ran over, now he hurt. Last boy.
On that one. Chris Abrams' drain comes in for him.
Oh, he not back even?
Allen's first
Died.
throw open. And another first down picked up to Shakir. On 3rd and 6. Pocket is clean. Now it collapses. And
Touchdown.
takes off for the end zone. And
First.
instead he gets right down at the sticks. The ball came out. Davis is the running back. Pass. Open. Touchdown.
Oh yeah, Chad. I obviously did not watch this game. I know who won though, obviously. From the song I was playing at the start.
That's the same play that he scored the game winner in
Nigga, he's on the Bills?
For the Kansas City Chiefs.
I want you to watch. Surtain is here. The motion's going to come in, so you think that he's not going to actually get the ball, and then he comes out.
I swear he ran that play in the. Nigga, he ran that play on the Chiefs in the. Did he not?
Gets disrupted.
Yo! Oh hell no. Ad block will be downloaded at this video.
What a play call and design by
Y'all gonna have to deal with it. I'm not cutting it out, gang. I'm not gonna lie.
Big loss for the Broncos, who have a 3rd and 10. And
Steamer. You caught that?
That looks like it may have hit the ground. Hey,
Damn.
Denver is amazing, so are the other teams.
Okay, Josh.
Those quarterbacks I mentioned in the regular season. Look at him take off. There wasn't a big
Go down. What you getting hit for?
And finally, he barrels right into Talanoa Hufanga.
That's one thing my quarterback don't do no more. My quarterback don't take off when he see that, like, where's that? Like, that's a, look at that lane. Like, look at the lane. Look at the lane.
In the regular season. Look at him take off. There wasn't a big opening, but he found one.
And Lamar Jackson would have fucking scored, but he don't take off no more. Even though he was hurt this year, but he ain't do it last year either.
They already have 75 yards on the ground.
Count 35 in postseason most all the time by QB. Yes.
Here's another one.
Who hit him like that? Okay, 49. Oh my God.
10 rushes. Here's another one to Cook. And Cook fumbles.
Hold on, no. Real shit. Who missed a block? Where he at? 49 right here. Who missed a block? Dion, is that Dion Dawkins? Oh yeah, you're shit, fat ass. Dion Dawkins, you selling, gang. You selling, Dawkins. That dumbass nigga. Damn. This guy has a little ass sparked. I don't know who that is, nigga. I thought that was RJ Harvey. Who was him? Nigga say he the X Factor. How? Who is he? Okay, Harvey. Yo, what JK was out for the season, yo?
Was so happy to be returning to his original franchise and gotten better as the years gone on.
Died? Oh my god, good ball. You fucking ball, bro. Joe, I ain't gonna lie.
They fake the handoff to Harvey. They little sidearm pass. It's wide open to the lineman we just mentioned. Crum comes in as
Lineman. Hold on, I just want to see that pocket. I wanted to see this pocket real quick. It was out fast, but like, look at that fucking pocket, bro. The Ravens would never.
They fake the handoff to Harvey. They little sidearm pass. It's wide open.
I ain't lie, 58, Milano, nigga. Come on, gang. You gotta get there.
And he receives and he runs it the rest of the way for the touchdown.
Frank Crum.
Watch. Sean Payton special. Here's Crum. He's going to act like he's blocking. I'm blocking, guys. No one cover me. I would never catch.
I ain't gonna lie, Milano, that was horrible from you, bro. Where are you at?
You know what I miss
Bro!
most? Yelling.
This shit is AI. Why look AI?
Pizza?
Come on with the ads, though. That shit's insane.
Denver.
Now we 4 minutes in the video, nigga.
Frank Crum.
Exactly.
Snap counts.
Great point.
2nd and 10. They go back to Cook.
Yeah, Cook, you need your one back. I know your bum ass ain't scored though, cause you was on my parlay. Lame ass dude.
Down the field with him, throwing some blocks. Lining up on a wing on the left, but now he'll get in position to help for the push.
Likes to go left.
And he does administer that push, and
That's a big boy.
the first down.
Pause.
2nd down to pass play.
Okay, Cook. Gone.
There's no one over there. Cook past the 50.
What niggas hitting?
With
Shit.
Allen.
Died.
Open, caught, and even watched to
Oh,
make
Brandon
sure he
Cooks?
beat down Cooks with another big catch.
They got a bunch of nobodies. They got Curtis Samuel and shit.
Allen saw the trouble, got a flag down, shakes off a hit, goes to the end zone where it's dropped.
He just did some Lamar shit.
Allen saw the trouble, got a flag down, shakes off a hit, goes to the end zone where it's dropped.
First, that's what I'm saying. The first game of the season when Buffalo played us, Keon Coleman had 100 yards. What has this nigga done for the rest of the year? Nothing. I know he hasn't. He's fucked.
33 yards, and the kick.
That's horrible though. That's your first round pick, by the way. Wasn't he? Yeah, first round pick. Okay, Bo. Died. Cross body.
One drops back. Pocket is clear, and Nick.
Bro, that pocket is clean, bro. Nigga look like. Are they playing the Ravens? Look at that pocket, bro.
Has his target.
I'd send someone right downfield if the safety's there to make the outcut.
On 2nd and 10,
And Bo delivering them. That's a fucking ball. What up? This nigga Bo is a demon. He's a demon, bro.
Get the field goal position, but you have your opportunity, and guess who they're
Post ain't it.
Savage
Across.
on the backside. He overruns it. There's no reason to. big time route and
What ball, Bo?
Humphrey.
Damn.
What a play call.
LaJorian Humphrey. When he get, I thought he was on the Giants.
No timeouts. Tried to load
Bro,
it up.
slide.
Head to the sideline if he wants another play. Oh, he lost the football.
That's why you never do that.
It is picked up by the Broncos, and there's time on the clock. It's picked up by Key. The first goes.
Nigga.
Better head to the sideline if he wants another
Go down.
play.
Well, I was gonna have time anyway, but what the fuck are you doing?
Tried to load it up. Better head to the
Try to get to the sideline. Hey, check.
Why you never do that.
Turnover, boy. Turn the ball over.
It's picked up by Key.
Turn the ball over, boy. That's what we know him for.
Defensive back, and they have chance to add 3 more. 50 yards it is.
And they got 3 before the half.
To end the half.
That's fucked, Josh. You can't be doing that.
10 points in the final 22 seconds. Who will take the snap from McGovern, the starter who has returned. And look at Cook. Line up right behind the right guard. Here they come, and they fumble again. They got to him.
Nigga, as soon as that, who was that?
Who has returned.
As soon as the fucking half started.
Line up right behind the right guard. Here they come.
Oh yeah, Dion gotta go. He's some shit. Like he's look at his fat ass.
And look at Cook. Line up right
I like he had a good start though. I ain't gonna lie. He jumped off the ball crazy. He jumped off the ball crazy.
Line up right behind the right
Yeah.
guard. Here they come, and they fumble again.
Nobody gonna get it. What y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Get the ball. Oh yeah. Then yeah. What are they doing? Why is nobody running from the ball? His fat ass knows the ball, right? He just noticed. Look how he running. No. Yeah, that's horrible. You some shit, Dion Dawkins. It's you. You fat dumbass. You gotta go.
Now here's a 3rd and 3. Just out.
Josh, you gifting these niggas steak and shit for Christmas or cow, whatever the fuck it was. Niggas a cow, not steak. Yeah, you get. Yeah, they not even blocking for you, gang. That's fucked up.
In the backfield. They toss it to him. McLaughlin. Bills are waiting for him, and
Boxed.
he was able to slip through 1 tackle this week on Friday at practice. Be brilliant at the basics. And there's Lutz, and that's just inside the right upright, and good.
Bruh. I don't know, bro. They low-key getting boxed.
He's got time.
That's holding.
Flips it.
Oh, he open.
Got it. Kincaid's first catch, and he adds some rack yardage to it.
Niggas got Christians, Curtis Samuel going in motion and shit.
Oh, what a hit by Hufanga on Knox.
Them boys head.
Held on for an 8-yard gain.
Yeah, this shit was over before it started. They got Curtis Samuel running in motion. Why is that nigga even in the game? Okay, James. Hold that ball.
He had to re-clutch the football. Kincaid on a wing, quick toss. It's Coleman, sidesteps the defender, and slides in for the touchdown.
Don't fuck with him. He's some shit. Still ass.
Had a big catch last
He old
week at
niggas won.
Jacksonville, and today he scores on
First round pick, by the way.
drive for the Buffalo Bills.
There was a penalty. Double clutch this, but this was no bigger play to extend and score.
That's Tully. Nigga got no socks on.
He need that. That's why you stay in it all year mentally. You get in the doghouse a little bit, but you never know when your opportunities come.
On 3rd and 5, Bills rush 4.
Heck, what the fuck, Bo?
3rd and 5.
That's ultimate bait. Who are you throwing it to though? You thought that was a bad pass regardless. Who was he throwing the ball to? Evan Ingram? Getting double teamed.
It's Walker.
Yeah, Walker, the rookie.
And then they come from the right side.
Who's he throwing the ball to?
Fake from the left, come from the right, and you think someone's coming, so you
It's
gotta
double
throw it.
teamed.
You didn't have to.
The pick regardless, Bo.
That tension that builds up inside, and now all of a sudden you're seeing him be the poised veteran after he had 2 turnovers of his own. You got to be able to put that aside and come back.
Second and 14. Deep ball down the field, and he is intercepted by Locke. Deep ball down the field, and he is intercepted by Locke. Locke jumps right in front of the receiver and takes it right back for the Denver Broncos. Third and 8.
I don't got shit. I don't got shit to say, bro.
Over to Mims. Slips past the tackler.
I got shit to say.
Goes all the way down to the Buffalo 41.
Just saying, when Lamar do it, nigga, it's the end of the world. Y'all better keep that same energy with him.
Lewis is able to end it, but 19 yards for number 19, Marvin Mims.
Stand in and deliver. Watch out for him coming. Oh, other side, overload.
And Bosa backs off
Clean.
also. As Nick
Milano, you bad, bro.
flings it incomplete. You've been calling for that and running it with Cook.
Yes. You'll have your chance to take your shot at some.
And that's what they
Gone.
do with Cook. Cutting outside and picking up a good gain for 13 and another first.
Good
Quick
ball.
pass.
Gone.
Splits the defenders and is off and running. Shakir makes another one miss. And look
Say
at
Shakir got my yards. He got my yards.
Gigantic play is going to be the biggest pass play of the game. Here's Allen. Drop it back, throwing it to the end zone.
Good fucking ball.
It is hauled in. Kincaid,
That's what I'm saying, bro.
just as he
They got is it they got 4 turnovers right now, and they still up.
a week ago.
Nigga, the Ravens could never. Lamar throw a pick in the first quarter. We mental chalk for the rest of the game.
Touchdown grab, and the Bills are a Prater
Must be
extra
nice.
point away from taking the lead.
Critical situations in the red zone.
Good
The ball's
ball.
going to Kincaid,
Great ball. Good catch.
And Josh Allen throws a perfect level 2 ball where only his guy can catch it at the high point. And
No catches so far for Sutton, who's their third down specialist on most occasions. They're not looking his way. That pass is deflected.
Yep.
And the Buffalo defense is going to take him off the field. in
That's
a
a good
hurry
D.
after 3 plays. Bill started at 20. Allen.
Good
sings it.
ball.
Got him. 15-yard pickup on the pass play to Kincaid. Was remaining in the third quarter. And remember, they bypassed on about the Broncos the 58-yard field goal, which could have given them a 2-score lead. Here goes Cook. And Cook is over 100 yards. Could have given them
Dion, what are you doing?
2-score lead.
You make that block, he's gone. You make that block, he's gone.
And Cook is over 100
Some
yards
shit,
with
Keon.
that run of 13. They ran for 210 as a team, which was some 70 yards more than anyone else had all season last year against the Broncos, and they're doing it again today. Here's Allen. Dump ball pass. It's Knox. Then he got another chunk play for 13.
the pusher Gilliam.
5 for 5 so far on this play.
Push, demon.
And look at Gilliam. He's making a difference. And again, Josh gets a couple of more tacked on. First down, Bills.
Watch Kincaid one-on-one at the top. Wow.
Allen.
That's a good, what a play call.
They had loaded up the
Good
left
play
side,
call.
flooded the left side with all those receivers, and he went the other way. Need to get to the 4 for a first. Quick
Why?
pass,
That hit the ground.
Shakir, did he pick it up? 4 for a first. Quick pass.
Maybe
it's on the ground.
I thought it hit the ground.
Well, the Bills
That shit hit the
think he did.
ground.
Kicking in this stadium has this from
What?
31, and the kick is good.
Damn it. Why did he pump though?
Cleanly for a first.
What did he see? Why did he
Went the
pump?
other way. Need to get to the 4 for
It's
a
there. Zero's not getting there, Josh. You sold.
Shakir, did he pick it up cleanly?
He sold.
The Bills think he did. Kicking in this stadium
That nigga sold.
has this from 31, and the kick
Easy.
is good. With 4:11 to go in the third quarter. Bosa coming after him. He ran it out too far. Nick steps up and throws.
Good catch,
And
good
with
ball.
the beat down, officials say
Good
yes, and
catch.
guess what? Cortland Sutton-
Call a sign. We need you on the Ravens, my boy.
Now it's 3rd and 11.
First catch in the
Now you got all
fourth.
this stuff. You got to watch all these guys. Who's coming, who's not. Can you get the protection right, Bo?
Clean pocket again. Fucking died. Y'all defense is like the Ravens game.
Last time they were all up in here, they backed out. I wouldn't expect that here.
This time they were coming. Knicks.
Nothing. Let's get out of there. Slide. Flag ref.
To about the 25-yard line with a minute to go.
They about to lose.
Today, now it's like go out there and save our season.
1st and 10.
They're going after him.
Going for the end zone over the shoulder.
Oh my fucking god. Look at that ball, bro. He better stop. He better stop and go. Top of the screen.
1st and 10.
That's a fucking ball, bro. And the nigga broke his back.
Once again, another right down to the wire. You got.
Look at that pot. Look at the pocket. Good ball, bro. That's a great ball, bro.
Keep the feet in. Come to the ground with it. Mims is usually the gadget guy.
1, 2.
Returner, but the pressure under all this right now.
That's a great ball. When he hit his back on the camera.
In many ways.
Great throw by Nix. His 3rd touchdown toss. Back to throw. Now going to try to fling.
Thank you. Do not fumble again. 2 timeouts, 30 seconds on the 40-yard line. 42, 43. Got time.
There he goes to Shakir.
They always running that weak ass shit. I mean, guess you don't go out of bounds there, but.
Low snap, it's fielded. Can't take the sack. Goes down
Toddy.
the middle of the field, and it's over the head of Knox, who will take the sack. Goes down the middle.
Bro, that's touchdown if he makes that pass, and that's game.
Snap, it's fielded.
Oh shit.
Goes down the middle of the field, and it's over the head. It's fielded.
Clean. I mean, he got pressure on his back, but other than that, it's clean. You gotta make that pass. I think Lamar even makes that pass. No troll.
Here's Prater from 50.
Try the game. Yeah, we know he's not messing. He's not Tyler Lute.
He's automatic.
OT.
That was 60 minutes of just tremendous.
Damn,
action.
Josh, you gotta make that pass, bro.
Snap coming from the 28.
There they are, coming after him. They've been having success with it until the last play for a touchdown.
Clean pocket again. Good ball.
And Sutton has the catch. Sutton at the top with Benford on him.
Clean pocket.
Nix stepping up and throwing. Did that hit the ground? It's on the ground.
No, incomplete.
5 receivers. Allen on the
Great
run.
ball.
Kincaid.
Keon Coleman don't even know what the fuck route he's supposed to be running. Look at him.
The play is off. Here comes the blitz. Little screen pass to Davis. A race to the chains, and he gets
Easy.
there.
Coming after him all out.
They pick it up, and they go deep
Fucking
down
bomb.
the field. And the pass is caught. No, it's... And the pass is caught. No, it's... McMillan has the football. How is
Bro.
caught? And they go deep down the field. And the pass is caught. No, it's...
Damn.
Has the football. How about that? Jake
You gotta have that.
Quinn.
Damn, and that's a pick.
Jake
Josh, that's 4 turnovers from you. And yeah, and the fact y'all still in this game is fucking crazy.
Mack has the foot pass.
I mean, I guess that wasn't your fault. That wasn't your fault. But
No.
I don't know,
They go
bro.
deep down the
That's kind of crazy.
And the pass is caught. No.
When we played the Steelers last year, they did this with Justice Hill, so maybe he didn't survive the ground. Who knows? That's fucked up though.
How about
That's game.
Jaquan McMillan?
No pressure, clean pocket once again.
Brings it over to Harvey. Nice move.
Oh my God, RJ.
And keeps his balance going as he approaches midfield. Big time play by the rookie second rounder.
You got that. That's fucked up, bro.
Again, lofts it down the field over the shoulder. And there's the flag on Terry Johnson trying to defend Sutton. And that will
They call that. I don't think that was PI.
Again, lofts it down the
I don't know, bro. I don't think it was.
And there's the flag on Terry Johnson.
That looked clean to me.
Trying to defend Sutton. And that will set up the Broncos in field goal range.
There are 2 fouls by the defense.
He holding his hand.
Personal foul number 97.
I mean, bruh.
Penalties declined.
I'm not gonna say they was. I'm not gonna say they was hand fighting because they wasn't. He was grabbing them, but bruh. At this point, bro, in the game, it's overtime, bro. Let the boys play. Fucking bomb again. Look at that ball, pretty. Wow, that's game.
Right at the doorstep of the AFC Championship game.
You said you gotta take shots.
For Davius White. Damn.
Automatic. First down.
Are they gonna replay it?
Comes down.
The AFC Championship game. Right.
Let's see.
Oh, they're gonna take a shot. And he's got a man wide open.
All right, yeah, he I ain't like he grabbed him before the ball got there.
And the Broncos,
Bro, just let them play though. It's overtime.
the AFC Championship game.
That's a game. All they gotta do is take a field goal. Bills already had the ball.
Automatic. First down.
Just comes down to a play or two, and not many flags down the field like that today, and you get too late.
You just move it right to the middle between the hashes, and you bring out a guy that Sean Payton had down in New Orleans.
That's the
Has a
game.
chance to take his team to the championship game.
That's fucked up, bro. Game.
The Broncos have won it in overtime.
Bro, I ain't gonna lie, I did have the Bills winning this game. I just thought like Josh Allen would finally get there with no. I mean, they're good teams, but they're like second-year quarterbacks, third-year quarterbacks. I mean, the team let him down, but he definitely let the team down also. 4 turnovers. I guess you can count two weren't his fault, but still. Turnovers. Lamar say turnovers play a factor. I mean, bro, you can't have that, bro. And it is what it is, bro. Do I feel bad? No. Nobody feels bad for Lamar. The fact they had 5. Josh had 4. James Cook had a fumble. The fact they had 5 turnovers and still in this game, it's like commendable, bro. It's something my team would never accomplish. First of all, 5 turnovers, we're getting fucking blown out by 30. Simple. But yeah, I just hope he gets criticized like Lamar gets criticized. 5 turnovers, bro, or 4, whatever you had. Yeah, that's bad luck, bro. Top op gets slimed though.